Hey guys, I'm at the JLC trade show. We're at the 1620 Workwear booth with my buddy Josh, and we're going to talk about some shirts that they make. And actually, wearing one of them today. I'm demoing one.
Yeah, I love seeing you guys wearing this stuff. It's awesome. It looks great.
Fun. It's comfortable.
Yeah, for sure. Short sleeve work shirt. Super popular piece right now. I think a lot of guys are coming in here talking about how pro and professional they need their crew to look coming on job sites. It's a little more competitive this season, right, to get in the work. So if your guys are showing up looking sharp and looking tight, I think it's going to help. And so that's what we're hearing from guys. And this shirt, you know, very nice, high collar, stretch, washes clean, DWR coated. So super durable.
The stretch is
yeah, the
huge.
stretch is nice.
Josh, we've talked about this, about the uniformity and the professionalism that comes with being in uniform.
For sure.
All my guys, we all wear the same color shirts.
Right.
And clients have commented that, wow, you guys look so professional.
Yep.
You guys look like you've got your act together. We could be a bunch of buffoons, but we look good, right?
Sure,
and
yeah.
we're uniform.
Absolutely.
And I just think that I think a lot of outfits are starting to think that way. You put your logo on it or on the back or whatever you're doing.
Yep.
You just look good. You could have your name on it. You could have the American flag on the side.
I'll show you a little flag right here. Boom. Yeah, I mean, 100%. We're hearing that just across the board. Like, this is a little bit better than a polo, right? It's a little bit more of a button down.
Yep.
And I just think that it's competitive space. And
You can tuck, you can untuck too,
Yeah.
depending on the shirt, right?
The better you're looking, you know, the better you can build stuff out. And like, the better your team feels, the more pride in their appearance, pride in their work. Like, this stuff's important. And 1620, we've always kind of tried to make like the best B2B, the best logo wear. It's an expense to your business. So instead of having to like do it every single year, you know, when you buy a little bit better, you spend a little bit more, but you know, this stuff will last you a couple of years. It's like multiple years. You don't want to spend the money on like hoodies and tees and then have your guys not looking good in like 4 or 5 months.
That's right.
And you know, if you're not buying high quality stuff, it just doesn't stay.
Where are you making these shirts? I'm curious.
Everything's made in the U.S. Most of these shirts are actually sold in Everett, Massachusetts. We have some manufacturing in Texas, Tennessee, North Carolina, but 1620 is fully American made. Use American made material, fabric, buttons, all that kind of stuff. It's challenging, but we're always under the premise that the longer it lasts, the better it is for you guys.
Nice.
You don't have time to run and buy a bunch of stuff. You need to buy it once, make sure it works, and make sure you can count on it.
So you had mentioned, you know, made here in America and stuff like that, and I know that there's tons of competition internationally, right? Cheap labor, all that stuff. Tell me a little bit about the story behind this.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, Ted and I started real small. My dad's barn in Massachusetts, just 2 of us, no heat, you know, no running water. And we built it kind of up, just one customer at a time, like quality. And I think that what you get with American Made is you can feel comfortable that the money's going to support a livable wage. There's a lot of ugly stuff in the clothing industry. A lot of people don't talk about. Bangladesh it is gnarly in terms of like human rights and making clothing. So, you know, we make stuff in some great places, a lot in our home state of Massachusetts that we're super proud about, a lot in North Carolina. We make some stuff in Texas, some stuff in California. And you know, you do get a better quality if you spend some time there and make sure the QC is right. But it's all about just a sustainable footprint. You know, making stuff that lasts longer. You're going to spend more money on it, but it's longer lasting. It's better quality. You can feel better about like where your money's going. And workwear is kind of a dirty little secret of how wasteful it is and how much stuff gets destroyed and how much people talk a lot about fast fashion, but you know, the average working guy's harder on their clothing than someone who's wearing it, you know, for fashion. So it's kind of a dirty little secret. There's a lot of $40 pants in the landfill every year. And our whole goal is to make long-lasting, sustainable stuff. We have a program called the Patina Program. We take like older product, we take sample product, blend product, we rework it, we sew it, we resell it.
Really?
Yeah, we just take pride in like trying to keep stuff on the field.
The patina, it gets the color like copper, it's green.
And some guys like to wear stuff that's a little more broken in out of the box. It's also a bit better pricing. But yeah, we're trying to do it kind of one customer at a time, one business at a time.
So if people want to find you, where's brick and mortar, online?
We have a showroom in Amesbury, Mass. If you're in New England, you want to see us. The main way is our website, 1620usa.com. It's 1620usa.com. And you know, we do a great B2B logo wear program. If you need embroidery, you need screen print, we do it all in-house, super low minimums. We specialize in the guy that has 10 employees but wants them to look tight. Like, you know, hit us up. There's no big giant minimums. We'll get you good pricing. We'll stand behind the product and make sure it looks good for you.
And do you guys offer the logo?
Yeah, we offer full embroidery, full screen printing.
Nice.
Yeah,
That's really cool.
Thank
you so much.
I appreciate you, Rob. Yeah, thank you. It's
Appreciate
great to hang
too.
with you, man.
Thanks, guys.
All right.